This is not advanced editing. One animation in CapCut will make your video went from basic to epic in just seconds. Let me show you how. Open CapCut and create a new project. Tap the import button and import the media files you want to use. Once imported, add your video to the track. After that, go to the animation tab in the toolbar. Under the In category, open the glitch section. Scroll down and look for the old monitor animation. Tap on it to apply it to your video. Next, adjust the duration slider. A shorter duration makes the animation faster. Longer duration makes it smoother and more dramatic. Now, let's make it even better. Add the tape sound effect to the track. Position the sound effect where the glitch animation starts. Use the split tool to cut off any unwanted parts of the audio. To add more visual impact, go to the Effects tab. Under Video Effects, use the search bar and look for TV. Tap on any effect to preview it. Once selected, add it to the track. Drag the edges of the effect layer to match the full duration of your video. Once you're done, preview the video to see the result. Once you're happy with the result, tap the export button to save your project. And that's it. One simple CapCut effect that instantly makes your video look epic. I've got a free step-by-step guide linked in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy editing.
If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!